next 3 days is going to be fun, but the one advice that I want to give is to everyone is that all the best for your first boot camp. You will get some experience on how practical learning is going to be at NIIT.
It was quite thrilling. It was like, oh, we're gonna build something new. It's just the starting day, but we're still doing something. Even if it's the starting day, we're building something, going on it would be more.
In India, basically, there are 5 to 7 crore entrepreneurs. And as India is growing and the companies are expanding, so I want that they should come up with new ideas, new innovations. So they should know the meaning of the word entrepreneur.
The last session was all about building a community.
3 sentences, make it creative as possible, make it funny, make it interesting.
We got to know about our teams, we got to know about our friends.
Day 1 was pretty interesting.
So for today's session, our main objective is to familiarize students with the concept of IoT.
I was scared. Personally, I was like, can I do it? Or, will I do mistakes?
Today we started building a smartwatch. Interesting, and I was very curious to know more about it.
The main objective of this camp is so that students have a deeper understanding and spark and curiosity to explore IoT on themselves.
Well, I want to tell all those people who did not join NIIT or couldn't come to this to work on the real life projects, they really missed it.
We had a neuroscience section which is very interesting. We enjoyed a lot.
But the best moments is interaction with the human AI robots.
I'd say it was very interesting for me. Building something in the first day, like even before starting our BTech and, knowing about the basics, like all the stuff you use, like sensors, all those processors. It was very interesting. It was very informative. I'd say the mentors and the speakers were very interactive with us and, they cleared our doubts, whatever doubt it was. I'd say learning stuff before even stepping into it was really interesting.